Hi everyone, welcome to South Textile English YouTube channel. Today we will discuss regarding yarn singeing and fabric singeing. Fabric may be woven or knitted, that should be singeing done, and you have to think one thing. Whenever we are doing singeing, what is singeing? You understand first. Singeing means the fibers, protruding fibers that is irritated on yarn surface. That is short fiber. You say this is yarn and that is a short fiber, protruding fiber that is on the surface of the yarn, and it should be burnt in singeing process. Whenever it is burnt, then the quality of yarn is very good, luster and brightness of the yarn will be increased, and we will get a value added price for that yarn. In case of fabric also, whenever we doing singeing, then we will get more price per meter of fabric, because the hairiness portion, the protruding fibers will be burnt in the process, singeing process. You see, there is three type of singeing process. One is, you see, first cotton, synthetic, a synthetic blend. Whatever the fiber composition, you can do singeing. First process, you see, hot plate singeing. Hot plate means that is, you see, two plates is there. It may be copper or maybe cast iron, or under the plate there is a burning of coal or wooden pieces to heat the that plate. Okay, whenever we get the plate heated, then we will, this is fabric roll, we will brush it first, then we will pass the fabric on that bend curve type plate, and finally we will dip it in the water to avoid any fire accident due to hot plate. There may be sparks of fire, then it will create a major problem if burnt. That is, you see, brush. A brush is stripping brush is to erect the protruding fiber will be just like perpendicular. After stripping, that is raised up to 90-degree angle. That means it will be burnt easily. Okay, and this process is a 125 to 225 meter per minute fiber we have to pass on it. And here is one demerit: you can singeing one side of fabric, not both side. And somewhere we are small pieces like gloves and t-shirts, small pieces we can pass on it. Okay, and this is meant for heavy weight fabric, just like denim, bed sheet, curtain, that you can run on this machine. This is not so high production machine. That is a very old system and low production machine. After that, you see, that is a roller, hot roller singeing. If first is hot plate, that is a hot roller, and 130 to 250 mpm you can run. Same thing, you see, fabric roll, stripping roll, or find out the short fibers on the yarn surface, and then you guide pulley just like that. And a steam roller. This is steam roller. Here see, we have shown you fabric roll, you blue color. this is gone. This is one side. If we will run, we will want to do both sides, then there will be one addition roll. Here is one addition roll, and fabric we will change like this. You see, मतलब means one is upper side, one is lower side, फिर again upper side, फिर lower side. So this way four roller will put, then we can do both side of fabrics. And see hot rollers may be extra connection with steam to hot the rollers, and whenever we pass the fabric it will be protruding fiber will be cleared. And you see the same thing, water box is here to dip the material and the water box. Sometimes company person not taking any water box, they are just fogging the water in that area, fogging of water, or Benson fan they are fitting around the fabric, so that it will get too much moisture, and accident of fire is avoided. Okay, and you see in both cases there is no precaution for safety. Whenever here you see roller is too heated, fabric may burnt. Here you see manually we are putting wooden pieces or coals, and that plate is maybe more heated, then fabric will be burnt. And you see this case risk of matter is very high. So after seeing these machines, the lastly you see a fabric singeing machine developed, that is up to 350 mpm to 400 mpm you can run, and the same thing you see burn fabric roll stripper. Then you see fabric is passing in this way. So in this case, you see here you see burner, four burner, gas burner. Gas may be LPG or any other natural gas, like nitrogen gas also. You nitrous gas also you can use. See in this case here we have put four burners. Four burner, it will clear inside of the fabric. After that, you see outside there is six burner. Means a six burner will clear the outside. So one person is clearing inside of protruding fiber, and another six burners you see clearing the outside. That's why all the both sides are clear, and you see same thing, water brush is here. Okay, so you can clean, water box is here. You can dip the material to avoid fabric burnt. In this case, you see, in this case, you can run one side fabric. In this case also one side fabric we can singeing, but in this case both side fabric cleared, and if here is attachment of extra roller, so you can do both side also. Like velvet cloth they are putting in this machine or this machine, and you see hot roller singeing machine for delicate fabric. Means GSM is very low, light weight fabric, and velvet also clear on this. Okay, and in this case, all the material you can run, and it is very efficient and speed is more. But you see, in this case, we have two safety points. Suppose during running, the burner is stopped. During fabric running, burner is stopped. Burner stop means singeing work will disturb. Singeing will not done. that portion fabric gone without singeing. So there is one precaution where if a burner stop, fabric will be stuck. Another stop motion is suppose your fabric roll moving, that is stop by any reason. So this fabric will stop means burner will stop automatically. But both case we can save our fabric from burning. Okay, and this is more efficient. Uh, Rather than a two hot plate and hot roller, that is gas burner is very important. Okay, you see, here is yarn singeing. Yarn singeing means after autoconner, you take coal and pass through one piece of burner, and it will collected here and it will again repack. Just like a rewinding process, you can put in all head one burner in all drums, and yarn singing speed is very high. You see 800 mpm delivery speed, just like our rewinding speed. And in this case, this is for fine count, matlab 80 count, 100 count, 120 count, you can do yarn singing. It will be better. Okay, and you can uh, charge for it because you are doing saving means extra expenses from your side, then you can charge for it. You see this burner you can put tangentially. Tangential means you see fabric is here, this is running this way, so you can put burner is this way, this is tangentially. If you will put tangentially, only protruding fiber will be burnt. In case of gas burner, suppose fabric design this way fabric, you can burn in between gap. If there is any fiber protruding fiber, you can clear also in gas burner. Okay, or this brush not only raise the short fiber or protruding fiber, it clean the yeah, dust particle from the fabric area. Okay, and you see whenever our original yarn this way, after clearing it will seem like this. No protruding fiber is here, here is more protruding fiber. Acha, we see what is the objective. Objective you see to burn off loose or protruding fiber. Singeing means to burn off protruding fiber or loose fibers, and both yarn and fabric pre-treatment done. Both fabric and yarn hota done eliminates fuzzy hairiness caused by friction. You say in ring spinning, there will be a friction in between ring traveler and yarn. In autoconner, drum and yarn, due to mechanical friction with yarn, their short fiber is increased, and hairiness is depend upon very much another thing also, short fiber content, that also increases hairiness or spinning system. So suppose you are running carded fiber, carded material, so hairiness will be more. You will running comb material, slightly less. If you are running any twist material, compact material, then it will be too less. But in all cases, singeing is required. After spinning, weaving, knitting may done. Spinning, weaving, knitting after that we can do singeing. Improves luster as a protruding fibers removed. You can get a fabric or a yarn like very lustrous, and yarn fabric appearance more brighter and polished. Whenever you will see the singeing material used in a fabric or fabric is singeing done. And you see, singeing on fabric only do after desizing. Because if sizing material you will do singeing, then you cannot get protruting fiber that was pasted with fabric surface. Okay, and you see, sizing and dye chemical take up very low amount. Whenever singeing done on yarn, then sizing material and color particle will take very less amount. Means expenses related sizing and dyeing it will be reduced drastically. Reduces peeling as prevent lint bulbs generation because you have removed the protruding fiber, then you cannot get any ball form in fabric, that is called peeling, and fabric is very clear and very good appearance. We have to brush the fabric on a revolving brush. You see, revolving brush is here. That will brush will run. It will clear the dust particle and raise the short fiber on the yarn surface, yarn fabric surface. After swinging, the material pass through a water trough. So water box will put it in water box or Benson fan fitted or plugging system fitted, or you can take a RH on that area 75 to 80% to cover the area and to avoid the fire accident. In case of fire spark or burning issues avoided by this water box or Benson fan or plugging system or more too much RH percentage we can avoid. Or types of singeing I have already explained you. You see gas singeing, most widely used high production rate 350 mpm can process long rolls of fabric more effectively. Fabric passes through high intensity gas burners, maybe LPG or natural gas flames. It is highly adjustable and can do singeing both sides of fabric simultaneously. This is very important. And see, plate singeing, fabric passes over one or two hot plates, heated copper or cast iron plates used for heavier, compact fabric. Small pieces of fabrics can pass over it, but one side singeing done. In this case, one side done. A rotary cylinder singeing, fabric passes over rotary metal cylinder heated rollers and internally heated. Okay, it is more effective for single side singeing like velvet and any other delicate materials. But we can do both sides also if we add one cylinder and passage will change like this way, not this way. If this way, फिर again one roller, फिर again this way, then we can do both side also. Today is the class regarding singeing system. You study it very well and understand the things and implement in your company to develop the quality and to get a profitable fabric or yarn process. Thank you.